guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to create a chore chart for personal use or as a giveaway, or you can also sell it. This is very easy to follow, and if you're new to InDesign, please check out my other videos as they are great for beginners. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more design tips like this. Let's hop into InDesign. So today we will be creating this very simple chart. Here's my settings for this layout. Please note that you can always set yours up differently. So mine is 6 by 9 inches with a margin of 0.5 inches. You'll be wondering why 0.5 inches. It's because if I want to print and bind this, 0.5 inches would be enough space for it. So if you're not binding this, then you can set it to a smaller number. Okay, let's cancel this. So alright, let's get started. First would be the title. So click on the text tool. Drag your title box and then just type in the chore chart, highlight it, centered it, and then change your font and font size to however big you want. Alright, zoom this in. Now get your type tool again. And tweak off. Change this to and let's have like 50 tracking, so I have spaces, a little bit of space on my. There you go. Center this here. Now for the rectangle, go to your rectangle tool and then just drag like so. Change the stroke to none and your fill to any color you want. Just make sure it's light enough so that you can write on it legibly. Next would be the chore table. So let's use the type tool again. We're going to be using a lot of this in this tutorial. Alright, and then just about here. Next is go to table, then insert table. Then for the rows, let's put on 15 rows and columns 8. And hit OK. Let's highlight this. Make sure that this is enabled. And then change this to a thinner stroke. Then let's do some resizing here. Don't worry if it's not at the same size yet. We'll rectify that in a bit. Okay, and then highlight all of this and distribute column evenly. Alright, now highlight the first row and then change the color or the background color of this to the darker one. Type your text. Change the font. Light. And then tracking, say 130. Okay. Just this. Rows. There you go. That's how it looks now. Now, since I will be using a lot of this style, this font style in my layout, what I'm going to do is set up my character styles so that I can use it anywhere here in the project. And please check out my tutorial on how to set up character, object, and paragraph styles to make your work easier and faster. So to set it up, make sure that you've highlighted your text with all the settings that you like already. Then go to Window and Styles, Character Styles, and just click on this tiny icon here that says Create New Style. There it is. Just double click this one and change the title or the name to maybe title. There you have it. So to use this, I can simply highlight everything here, this first row for example, and click on the style, and this row will be using the same style that I have here. So if I type Monday here, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's got that same style with the chores text. I'll just center this, everything, so it looks nice. There you go. There you have it. So next would be the reminder section. So use the text tool again. Do it like this. And go to table, insert table. And for the rows, it's gonna be just 2 rows and 1 column. Hit OK. Resize the last row. Then highlight everything. Make sure these are all enabled. And then click on that. Now highlight the first row. Change the background color to a darker one. And reminder. Okay. And highlight this and click on your character style. And center. There you have it. Now for the notes section, click on the rectangle tool, draw your rectangle or your box. And no stroke should be set to none. And for the color, choose a lighter one, and because you will want to have a lighter color because this box is writable and you don't want a darker color, or else you won't be able to see what you've just written. Well, unless you're using a lighter or white colored pen, then yeah. Okay, and now it's got this, I'll show you, it's got this pointed, the usual or the normal rectangle. What I want is I want a rounded side or sides. So what I'm gonna do is just select this rectangle and go over here and choose rounded. And you can also change the size of the roundness over here. You can enter any size you want or just click on the arrows up and down. There you have it. And there you go. Now for the notes text, click on your type tool and then draw a box anywhere. Type notes, change font face. There you go. And maybe also the tracking or the space in between. And then center it. Move this. Let's see what it looks like now. If we go to preview, this is what it looks like. And that's about it. I think we're done here. However, you can always add some images or icons or even your logo in this one. And please make sure to subscribe and have a look at my other InDesign videos for more tips and tricks. There you go. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this. And if you've got questions or comments, please drop those down below, and see you on the next video. Bye!